Here are 5 tips and tricks that will make your Tesla experience a lot better. Starting with number 1, the parking brake. It's not really obvious when you get into a Tesla for the first time where the parking brake is. And what I mean by the parking brake is the emergency brake. To find the emergency brake / parking brake, go to the gear shifter, the gear stalk, that button on the end that you use to put the car in park. Hold that down for 1 or 2 seconds and you will see the parking brake symbol pop up on the screen and you're all set. Moving on to tip number 2 is sending directions to your Tesla from your iPhone or Android device. In this example, we're using an iPhone and we're using Apple Maps. So what you want to do is you want to search the address you are looking to go to in Apple Maps, and once you find it, you want to hit the little share symbol. It looks like a box with an arrow in it. Press that and you want to look through the application deck, which is right toward the bottom there. You'll see it, and you want to hit the Tesla icon. This will send the directions to your navigation screen so that when you get in the car is just ready to go and you don't have to type anything in. Moving on to tip number 3, Sentry Mode Live. Sentry Mode Live allows you to tap into the car's cameras through the Tesla app so that you can see your car in real time. And if your car is updated with the pedestrian warning speaker, you can actually speak through the app out that speaker and it changes your voice to like a lower pitch. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
So if someone is messing with your car, you can actually scare them away. But anyway, let's move on to tip number 4, which is Santa mode. Now, Santa mode is more of a fun party trick as well, but it is definitely a way to make your Tesla a little bit fun during the holidays. Basically, what it does is it changes the Tesla car on the screen to a Santa inside of a Tesla Santa sleigh being pulled by reindeer. It is kind of a funny party trick thing, and it'll definitely get you more into the holiday spirit. And tip number 5 is speed limit mode. Speed limit mode is perfect for all of you out there with young drivers and you want to make sure that they're not going really fast in a really fast car like a Tesla, or maybe you even want to keep yourself in line because you have a heavy foot. But this is a good feature that can really help you if you need to use it. So speed limit mode is exactly what it sounds like. But those are 5 tips and tricks that will help you understand your car a little bit more. I can do more videos like this if you guys want, so definitely hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos, and leave me a comment. I look forward to reading them and responding to them, but I'll see you guys in the next video.